So this car right here, get a wax job done in it today. Full detail right here, 4511 Eastwood, Temple, Florida, J&H. Top car wash. Right here, car wash ça là bien longtemps. Il buy bon job. Full detail this truck today. They was coming out very dirty. But I got it all that brand new. Look at it. After he was wax, look at the wax job. Looks very nice shine. Very nice and shine. See, look at the inside, the interior. Look at that. Nice and shine. That's what the J&H do. Do a good job. J&H right here. See that? It says nice job right here. The car is very nice shine right now. The owner would love it. I would like to recommend it to anybody else. If you have one like that, bring it to, we do it the same way. Full detail, $250. $250. You got a truck like that, you want to get it full detail, $250. Souvent, truck qu'on s'offre les full detail, $250. Pour le venir, clean pour very bien. Nice detail. Clean all the interior, exterior, everything. Engine clean, everything. Motor clean, exterior, dehors, commandant, cylinder, tout côté bagaille net, voyez? J&H, right here, top car wash in Temple, Florida. Come get your car clean. 4511 East Road, Temple, Florida. Some bon car wash here, supported it. J&H, top car wash in Temple, Florida. Come get your car clean. 4511 East Road, Temple, Florida. J&H, top car wash.